added a few more stripes to my fish, and I know that it looks like an Easter egg, but we're going to turn it into a fish. Now I've got some stripes. What else I want to add is I think I want to add some spots. So I grabbed another piece of colored paper, and I'm going to start at the edge of my paper, and I'm just going to cut little tiny little circles the best that I can. I know they won't be perfect, but you should always use the edge of your paper. So I'm going to cut circles, and I'm going to add a few of these to my fish. Now you can add squares, you can add polka dots, you can add stars, you can add all kinds of other shapes. Alright, so I've added some more spots to my fish, and I'm ready to do the next step. And the next step is actually going to be the tail and the fin. So I'm going to move this out of the way just a little bit, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a fin for my fish. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut a giant triangle. You see that triangle? Watch what happens when I take that triangle and I tuck it under my round shape. It is now a fish tail. So I'm going to go ahead and glue on that fish tail because I think it looks great. I like to tuck it behind my shape so that it looks like a tail. Now, moving that aside, I'm going to cut another triangle. Usually I'd like to cut off the corners of my paper and I make a triangle because that's a little bit less work. But now that I have this triangle, I'm going to cut the top of this triangle off like this. And that is my shape that I'm going to put on my fish right here, and it looks like a fin. Now, sometimes I like to just glue it down so that it's a little flappy, and sometimes I like to give it a fan fold. And if you don't know a fan fold, I can help you. It's when you fold up and then you fold down. Fold up, flip it over, and fold down. Fold up, flip it over, and fold down. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this fish real quick here. And so I've created a fan fold for my fin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue that on right there.